This is what we got from the swap meet.
They're Lakewood traction bars. They're $97 on Jags. And he got them for 20 bucks. Granny got a harmonic balancer for free.
Free balancer.
$5 for the timing cover. These spray guns are mine. Brandon got a toolbox for $5. Dave got a cherry picker for 80 bucks. It takes up a lot less room than a full-size cherry picker. We got a 4-bolt main, 400
SBC.
board, 30 over. All the machine work is fresh. A 4-core Griffith radiator. They're about $400 in Jags, 65 bucks. And a set of Hooker Super Comp inch and 7/8
Subscribe for a part 2.
headers for a 1963